Good morning, YouTube. Well, last night I drove till about it was roughly about I think 3 o'clock. Uh, Started getting tired driving, and the mountains are no joke. I'm in Colorado. What the hell is on my note? There's some shit. Um, was gonna sleep till 10:30. It's 9 o'clock. I was woke up to this. I don't know if you can see it. Guy with a jackhammer. Go figure. Uh, oh well. It just means I'm up. Gonna get rolling. I'll be in Wisconsin at 4 in the morning. Place opens at 6. Works out. Hopefully I can get unloaded quickly, and I'll be available for a load. That was the goal. I was gonna drive straight through, and common sense and sleep fucking ended up being more important. Safety first, right? These mountains are scary as fuck at night. I bet it's beautiful. Haven't seen where I'm at in the daytime. Check this out. Oh yeah, nice and pretty. Is that fucking snow? It was cold last night. We had ice on the road warnings, and there's snow on the ground.